Alright, this is for the guys who want to put a RS side skirt on their mid body. I mean, this might be possible on the narrow body. When I say narrow body, that's the S and the regular Carrera. But if you have a GT3 or a GTS and you want to put the RS side skirt, and this is from the 0.2 RS, not the 0.1. The 0.1 RS is smaller. So this is a 0.2. And how it works is on the GT3, which is the mid body, this can be fit on there, but there's a few things. It's not going to be perfect, and I'll explain where it is and how it goes on. So we're looking at the side skirt here. So first thing, to remove these side skirts, you're going to remove this bolt here, which is under the fender liner, which you can access by reaching in and bending the fender liner. This is the back of the car, and this is the front. And then there's another bolt right here, as you can see, goes and holds it in. This basically slides over a piece. This goes inside a piece, so you're going to pull this back when you remove it, okay? These come out easy, and same with these. So when you remove it, you just want to pull it away from the car while pulling down, kind of. These you just can twist with your hand. You don't really need a tool. Rubber gloves will help. And when you untwist them, it pops right out. It's really simple. Just twist it the other direction, any direction, as long as it's 90 degrees from this position. And then those will come out and basically will drop down. So you're basically going to pull down. Now the thing of getting it back on, now here's the tricky thing. These will fit perfect on a GT3. These are exactly almost in the same position as the RS. What's different is, okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. These two you'll have problems with. They won't go in. Basically, I tried massaging it in, but it just, you know, you really don't have much to play with. So essentially, you're going to have to remove these, and you're going to have a slight gap in here. I mean, that's the only thing I can see possible. Because if you do take them out and you try to put them in somewhat, that is a possibility. You could try to do that, but I'm not sure how that'll work. It just might snap out. So I don't know. I'm gonna definitely take these out when doing this other side. And this is again the 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is from the back. And this I had a problem with as well. This was because since this is sticking out further on the RS, this is positioned a little bit further out. So on my car it's closer. So you're gonna have to pull this out a little bit more. If I'm gonna figure out if I can do that. But that's pretty much it. That's all you really need to do. Otherwise it'll bolt right up. You just want to do it slowly. And if you break any of these in the process, it does come with a side skirt. Same with these. These I didn't break any of these. I don't think I broke any of these either. If you just go slowly and maybe do it when it's not too cold. But that's pretty much it. And you can see that it is wider. And I'll have some other videos of it on the car. Alright, so there's one more thing. You're going to have to trim a little bit of this plastic around this area, so it makes this piece here a little bit more flexible to play with, so that you can get this bolt in there. Because the RS is a little bit wider, this bolt would be further out, I believe. So on this car it would have to come closer. So I did a little trim, a little piece here, a little bit there. We're talking about a couple millimeters, definitely not inches or centimeters. So gotta be very careful, and hopefully I'll do it. So I'm gonna have to do it on the other side because I couldn't get this bolt in there, and you would have to basically keep on forcing this like this onto from the back to be able to get it on. So we'll see how this plays out.